Well, pop videos have helped me deeply understand the subject in mathematics, the one that I'm doing the pop on. It not only helps me, but also helps other students who are watching the video.
Pops have added to my enjoyment in school by giving me a unique way of learning the subject other than just by writing down answers on a piece of paper. It gives you something else to do to learn the subject.
One of the benefits of teaching concepts to other students is that when you're teaching it to them, you've already been through the phase of learning it yourself, so you understand it from both sides. You would expect what they wouldn't understand at the first point, and then as they progress through, they'll understand it further.
When I first did that pop video, I was really confused on how to do it, but now that I've done 4 pop videos, I have been gotten better at doing pop videos. I can explain the subject better than I could when I first started doing pop videos, which can help people understand them better.
Something I've noticed in my ability to retain is that I've been able to remember the information in my pops. So like in the first pop I did, which was about 6 months ago, that was about positive, negative numbers, and I learned more about integers and all of those, and I still remember the information right now.
What I like about doing pop videos is you get to show your own creativity with making your own type of version of understanding the math.
Write an inequality to represent the amount of money that is always spent and graph the solution on a number line.
For the first video, we had one piece that could have used a diagram to help explain it further, and we didn't use the diagram, and we were told by Mrs. Barkis that we could have added a number line to help explain that part better. But now we've been representing and explaining everything carefully enough so that everyone understands, but it's not too complicated.
I do feel that I am getting better at my creativity because you get different ideas on how to do your pop video and how to improve your pop.
Sometimes for the example problems, I'll take them out of the workbook that we are using, but all the real world problems I have come up with myself.
The problem that we're going to solve today is a runner starts at his run at Mount Rushmore at 279 feet above sea level and completes his run into a valley that's negative 127.
Should we put a picture of a runner at the very beginning or instead of something else?
It's helping me understand it much more than just looking at a piece of paper writing down answers to questions.
Well, first you have to understand the subject or standard you're learning first, like really well, that you can teach it to someone else.
A to C is evaluate expressions at specific values of their variable. So the key words would be variables, expressions, and specific values.
Understanding the standard is a very critical part as well.
I do like working with partners sometimes because they do help you, like, sometimes if you find mistakes they can check and then help you make it even better.
So develop a calculation? Yeah, basically. So 3 times 4 equals 12, and 3 times 4 gives us the value of 12. So just write that down. Alright, we should put this right here. Equals y. There, that's just an example, of course, but this is an example of a sentence with a variable in it.
2 variables, actually.
Yeah.
If you have an idea, maybe you can collaborate and talk to each other how you can use those 2 ideas in your pop video.
Alright, so now let's think of a question. We started with $28. My mom gave me X more dollars.
No, you just changed the color.
In total, I had Y amount of dollars. Exactly. So let's write that down so we don't forget.
Okay.
So,
Change it to black. Graphing inequalities. So we should add a new slide and
getting number line or something, an image of a number line or something.
Wait, should we go over how like the shaded circle represents that it could be an answer, the open circle represents that it
You can do that as we.
My mom.
Or should we change the one for the vocabulary?
We'll do it.
Maybe. Okay.
X.
Okay, ready?
Did I already talk?
No.
Over the year, the pop videos have helped me be more confident while speaking, because during the videos I might make some mistakes, but I learn from them. And
We are Khadija and Denise from Navigator Schools. In this video, you will learn how to understand variables. You will need to know a few academic vocabulary words to help you understand this standard. The first word is expression.
No. Okay, you're gonna move the stick through here, okay?
Dollars.
Wait. You guys are gonna record.
1, 2.
Zoe went to the mall to buy some clothes. She spent at least $20 there. Write an inequality to represent the amount of money that Zoe spent and graph the solution on a number line.
Okay, so then while we're recording, you can say graph the inequality x is greater than or equal to 25.
When I took the interim test, I scored a 95%, which was really good for me because it was in advance, and it helped me a lot. Like, the pop helped me a lot because I still remember that information, and that can help me in the future.
Before I was just basically answering questions, but now I have to actually write the problem and then answer it and then explain it. This gives me a lot more writing practice.
Something else I've noticed was that in my quizzes I get like almost perfect at 100s every single time because of my ability to retain the information and remember it, and also my speaking ability has improved a lot.